welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So if this is your first time tuning into one of my videos, go ahead and make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super slime lime green makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So of course my eyes are already primed. So for shadow, we are going to be using the Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 35B palette. It's full of some amazing colors. Like, it has so many beautiful colors in it. So the first shade I'm going to use is this really bright yellow matte shade right here. And I'm just going to use this to go ahead and start our eyeshadow look. So the next shade I'm going to take is this green shade right here. And I might mix a little bit of that shade in it. Not quite sure, but we'll see. So to really help deepen up things and get this eye look popping, we're going to go ahead and take this hunter green color right here and just a little bit, like literally the smallest amount of this black, just mixing the two shades together just to give that crease a little bit more definition. And now I'm just taking a clean blending brush just to kind of make sure all of those shadows are blended into each other. All I'm going to say is, let me find out you didn't know we was doing the cut crease. Let me find out. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the P.Louise eyeshadow base. Y'all, this stuff is bomb.com. Like, it's super affordable, super bomb, but it did take like 60 days to get here. The shade, Angel, the shade. But anyways, besides that, it is a really good eyeshadow base, y'all. I swear, I don't want to use anything else. Like, I don't ever want to use concealer again. Like, this has my heart. So I pretty much already done and set this eye. Right after I finish actually cutting my crease, I like to go ahead and set each eye one at a time just to make sure I don't make the wrong move and there's no creasing. And I'm just using the Airspun loose face powder. And going back into the same palette, I'm going to be taking this green shade right here. It's like a lime green shimmer shade, and I'm just going to be using that all over my lid. So going back in with this hunter green shade right here and a little bit of the black, I'm going to go ahead and blend these two colors together. So now we are basically pretty much done with the eyes. Now if you want to go ahead and do a wing liner, feel free to go ahead and do a wing liner. I don't want to say I hate wing liner, but wing liner is just such a hassle for me. Like, even thinking about it gives me, it makes me feel some type of way. Like, sometimes wing liner stresses me the hell out. Like, for real, for real. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on my super cute bold lashes, and I'll be back. So I know I look kind of crazy, but I have to put mascara on my lashes because my real lashes have like green eyeshadow on it. Y'all know how that is. Y'all know how that is. So before we actually finish up the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face. And for primer, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional primer. This one is the matte. I just dropped the top. This one is the matte rescue one. I really love this one because it really does help keep my oils at bay, and it's going to be perfect for the foundation that I'm going to be wearing in today's video. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way, and now you guys see why I needed the matte primer. So I thought that I needed another layer, but I actually don't. This foundation is actually growing on me. It's not like my favorite or anything, simply because it is a natural finish foundation, and I tend to like something that's more of a matte finish or a semi-matte finish. But the color and the coverage looks amazing. Like, this foundation looks beautiful on the skin. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and of course we're going to be highlighting the areas that I normally highlight. To set the areas that I highlighted and also my forehead, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Then to contour my nose, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance pressed powder. I'm just going to go ahead and sweep off that excess powder. So because this is a natural finish foundation and I have like combination oily skin, of course I'm going to be setting, and I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. You guys can clearly see how much I love this powder. Like, I literally use this powder in 99.999% of my videos. And then to bring some color back to the face and bronze up my face a little bit, I'm going to be using this, if I can get it right, this Nicka K Duo Contour little palette. And of course I'm going to be using the lighter brown in this palette because, of course, you guys know I like a more natural contour. And then for blush, I'm going super light and super neutral because my eyes are already the most.com. So I'm using this little blush palette, and this is by Colormates, and it's in the shade Sunkissed Tan. This blush I literally got from the Dollar Tree. Then for my highlighter, I'm using this Laura Gellar little dripping in gold highlighting kit, and I'm going to be using Molten Gold, which is this pretty golden shade, and Gilded Honey, and mixing these two together. Then of course I like to fill in my mold because sometimes it gets lost in all of the makeup and stuff going on. So now we're just going to go back to the eyes real quick. So I'm going to take this green shade that we use to transition with, and I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes in my waterline. And then for mascara, I'm going to take some of the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. One thing I love so much about the P.Louise base is that it does not transfer, meaning that my shimmer shadow that's on the lid is not going to transfer like too high up where my crease is cut and where my matte shades are. Like, my eyeshadow literally looked like this the entire night. Like, the P.Louise base is the truth. Like, if you don't have it, get you some. You're gonna be waiting a little minute, you know what I mean? Maybe till Santa Claus come, but it's bomb. And then for lips, of course, keeping it real simple, I'm using the MAC lip liner in Cork. I was about to say chestnut. Then for lipstick, I'm using the Milani matte lipstick in Matte Naked. Then for gloss, because y'all know I have to put some gloss on these lips. So I'm using the Butter Balm. I was about to say Butter Blend. Honey, this ain't Milani. But I'm about to use the Ulta Butter Blend. Why do I keep saying Butter Blend? The Ulta Butter Balm Lip Gloss in Bella. Got it. And then I'm just going to take some of the Wet n Wild matte finishing spray to finish everything off, lock it in, and we good to go. So that pretty much wraps up this makeup look. If you guys want to see me do more colorful makeup looks here on my channel for the spring, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you like it. And of course, if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Angel gang, the Angel family, honey. And that's pretty much it. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.